Okay, next point, 10th point, we are discussing about the circulatory system. Circulatory system is, children, open type. Clear? What is closed type? If all the blood vessels or all the circulatory system is closed, means heart, veins, arteries, such type of closed panel is present, that time it's known as the closed type of circulatory system. When directly through the vessels if blood flowed, that time it's known as the open type. So in case of mollusca, circulatory system is open type. Color of blood is blue, as I mentioned this thing earlier also. Color is of blue because blue color contain copper containing hemocyanin is present in it. Okay, copper containing hemocyanin is present, that's why it's blue in color. Okay, next point is related with the excretion. In case of one or two pairs of kidneys are present, now you can see clearly in orthopods also, if you remember, where we have learned that nephrodias are Malpighian tubules are present for excretory system, coxal gland, these things we have already discussed in arthropod. Okay, but in case of mollusk, metanephridias are present. Or one important organ, children, if you're preparing for any competitive exam, that time you should remember this thing, that one important factor is present in case of molluscan, and they are known as the organs of Bojanus. Clear? Bojanus, organs of Bojanus is present in case of molluscans. In your higher classes you will read more deeply about it and how it functions, but you should only remember word in this in your present class. Okay, they are having one peculiar sense organ, this also you have to learn. This peculiar organ is known as the osphaeridium. Okay, osphaeridium is chemical nature. It's test this organ is specifically sense organ, and it just identify the in the waves or current of water, means which side water is floating, and this sensory organ only works for this medium. Okay, you can say that in water it also used for the navigation. Clear? Next, some have statocyst for balancing. Statocyst is also like our brain is responsible for our body posture and in case of our body balancing. In case of molluscan, statocyst is present which functions as a balancing organ. Okay, next is nervous system. Nerve system is very important, children, because nerve connectives and commissures are also present. What is the function of it? Because ganglion, in case of molluscan, ganglia are present which joined with the nerve connectives, which covers the whole nerve system. That's why if you remember, if you touch any kind of snail, okay, snail, so that time the whole visceral mass just shrinks inside the cell. So how snail know? Because of only nerve system. Next is sexes are unisexual. Unisexual means fertilization may be external or internal, development may be direct or indirect. Okay, main larval forms found are Glaucidium or Trochophore or Veliger. These are the names of larval forms, children. You should learn them. Okay, earlier also we have learned about the Trochophore, Tornaria, these type of larvas. Okay, now you have to learn that which type of larvas are present in case of molluscan. So main type of larva is Glaucidium, Trochophore or Veliger. These are the larval forms found in molluscan. Okay, second largest phylum. What is the first largest phylum? Orthopoda. Okay, Orthopoda is the first largest phylum, and second largest phylum is Mollusca. Here are some examples as written: Pila, apple snail; pink tada, pearl oyster. Pearl oyster, the name of pearl oyster, from where pearl is extracted. So pearl oyster, pink tada. Okay, sepia, cuttlefish. As I told you already, all fishes are not belongs to fishes group. Okay, Pisces group. Not all the fishes belong that group. Okay, some fishes by the name they looks like fish, but their characters are resemble with the peculiar characters are resemble with the particular phylum. So that's why sepia, cuttlefishes belong to mollusca. Devilfish, octopus. Octopus is known as devilfish, and devilfish also belong to mollusca. Okay, so here are some examples. Later on you can see that about the competitive points of mollusca. Okay, here are the some competitive points related with the mollusca. Go through it and try to understand these concepts. Like malacology, study of mollusca is known as the malacology, and study of cell is known as the conchology. Okay, this question also has came in Pandnagar examination, that study of cells is known as the conchology. Okay, like this all the description has given here. If you have any doubt about it, you can ask me. Okay, one point I am discussing with you, that is also very important. Yesterday also I have told you about the what is the link between orthopoda and annelida. Just search it, I will not tell you this thing again. Okay, one organism is known as the link between annelida and orthopoda. Yesterday only we have discussed it. Now we will discuss that what is the link between annelida and mollusca. There is a one link between annelida and mollusca, and the name is neopilina. Clear? Neopilina is known as the link between annelida and mollusca. Clear? You should learn these type of terminology, student, because this will help you for your further competitive exams. Okay, thank you. I hope this much is clear. If you have any query, any doubt regarding mollusca, just share it with me. Thank you, children.